Hello everyone, it is Seva and welcome to the video. I always wanted some kind of security for the house. So I had an idea when I worked at one of the facilities. One of the areas under reconstruction was guarded with this door alarm system, and a few times it was set off. It was really loud and drew a lot of attention. I thought it would be a perfect choice as a cheap but efficient alarm system on the main doors of the house. So I have bought it, installed it, and I'm really happy with it. If someone enters the door and you are sleeping, it will wake you up. If you are not home, it will bring attention of the neighbors, or simply scare away the unwelcome guest. This is Exit Alarm STI 6400. This type of security is cheap and only $70 on Amazon in 2021. I will unbox, set up, and give you my first impression. Then I will go over the specs and even do a sound test. So stick around. So here's the box, and let me show you everything that we get inside. There is some additional gadgets you can buy afterwards if you want to supplement the system. You can buy a receiver that will activate up to 8 alarm boxes in the house if one is triggered. I think it's a really smart idea, something I will look into later, because I will be installing at least 2 of these alarms. It would be nice to hook them up together and hear them ringing at the same time. You can buy a voice receiver. I think you can either send a message to the alarm unit or you can record an audio. Interesting idea. There's a long wire inside the alarm unit, thus you have the wide range where you can mount the unit away from the trigger spot. Something I did not consider until after I have already installed it. Now, here it is. It looks alarming, doesn't it? Well, that is what we want. I am so pleased with it. There is a key tag inside, some mounting parts that come with 2 keys, special key to open the box cover to change the settings, and 6 screws for mounting, some labels, and a manual that I thought I might not read but which ended up to be very useful. To open up the cover, you need this special key. You don't need to screw out the bolt on the back because it does not secure the cover. It secures the speaker inside, something I found out along the process. There are switches on and off on the brain under the cover. You can change settings with these switches. I will mention some of the settings that I found useful. You can set a low or high volume, trigger an alarm immediately when the door is open, or in 15 seconds if the door is not closed. There's a delay option for 15 seconds. You can set a length of time for the alarm to sound, 30 seconds, 60, 180, or continuously until the battery dries up. So the device is very customizable. You get the alarm with the battery. Here's the quick test of low volume sound. You also get 6 screws, 4 short and 2 long ones, 4 for mounting the box, and 2 for trigger piece that goes usually above the door. I first secured the alarm box with tape to assess the placement. I then secured the trigger piece. I removed the tape from the alarm box and made sure I have enough space for the cover on all sides before placing the screws. I placed the markings for the holes . I made the holes with the Ryobi drill, which I got for $60 at Home Depot. Then I screwed the bolts in. And last, I made sure that everything is secure. So my final settings are to keep the volume very high and to set it up continuously, and for it to start alarming immediately. This is my setting. So as you can see, the sound is very loud. It draws a lot of attention. I am really happy with this device. The price is good, $70 on Amazon. I think it's really worth it. If you know the cheaper and better way, please leave a comment below. So you just made to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you found it useful. Thank you and have a good day.